Hello everyone, this is Alyssa with Pixnub, and today I'm going to do a quick demonstration of our new yearbook mode for Easy Composites version 3. What makes yearbook mode different is this is for the mugshots in the yearbook, like this, and it doesn't matter how many students or teachers are in the photo, it will overflow onto the next page. Whereas in the regular composite mode, it will determine how many students are in the class and adjust the template to that class. When you select yearbook mode, you'll see that there's a drop-down down here for different yearbook groupings. YB group ID is going to be grouping by the grade, whereas group ID is going to be by the class. And none just means there won't be any grouping. Instead, all the students will be grouped together and sorted by name alphabetically. This is an example of YB group ID. You'll see all the faculty are together. And then here we have all the kindergartners. And then it goes into the next group, like first grade, the second grade, and so on. You can set up these groupings however you want. However, just for our demonstrations, this is how we have it set up. And our next video will cover how you can set up your own CSV, as well as the data file setup.